Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and having an amazing day, and welcome to another Skyrim tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be explaining to you guys how you can get the Ancestral Sword, which is part of the Grey Cowl of Nocturnal questline for the Grey Cowl of Nocturnal Creation Club creation, which is available through the Anniversary Edition. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it, and please forgive me for using a screenshot. I am doing this to save space, so bear with me. But yeah, once you download and install that creation, you will get the Cowl of Nocturnal questline. I am not sure what this quest looks like, but you just need to complete that quest, and at the end you will be told to go to Silver Drift Lair. You can go to the lair by yourself even before you actually do the quest. So you can just head here immediately. As you can see on the screenshot on the map, it is located southeast of Dawnstar and southwest of Winterhold in the mountains right here. Down here to the left, I think Whiterun is over there, so that's pretty much where the Silver Drift Lair is. What you want to go is go there and complete the dungeon. It is a classic Draugr dungeon, so just go there and complete the quest, or rather the dungeon, and at the end of the dungeon you should find the Ancestral Sword. Keep in mind that the sword is a quest-related item, so you cannot drop it from your inventory. The only way to get rid of it is to put it on a weapon rack by holding it and using a weapon rack. And it deals no damage. It does some minor version of the Raise Dead spell, so it's pretty useless as a weapon. It is pretty much a novelty item and a quest item, so that is pretty much it. And yeah, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you in another video.